click the plus icon at the top right corner, then select on Payment Links option. You may add any product that you have, then scroll down to click on the Advanced options. You may click on this button beside as the call to action, and you can select between Pay, Book, and Donate. As you can see, my button changed from Pay to Book. After you are good with your payment link, tap on the Create Link button at the top right corner. Keep in mind, as far as the research I've conducted, you can only change the call to action button on your payment link. But if you have a way to change it on the invoice payment page or any other page on Stripe, let us know in the comment below. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.